Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special question-answer session where we'll be answering English questions. I'm John.
And I'm Emily. We're excited to dive into these questions and provide you with helpful answers. So let's get started.
How was your day today?
It was good, thanks.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet.
What's your favorite type of music?
I love pop music.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I recently watched a great romantic comedy.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting in my free time.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What's your favorite place to travel to?
I love beach destinations.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.
What's your dream job?
I've always wanted to be a professional photographer.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
What's your favorite book?
I really enjoyed To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy going for runs and practicing yoga.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to several countries in Europe.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Not really, but I do like attending live games.
What's your favorite TV show?
Currently, I'm hooked on Game of Thrones.
Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I enjoy hiking and camping.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite.
Do you have any favorite podcasts?
Yes, I love listening to true crime podcasts.
Are you a tea or coffee person?
Definitely a coffee person.
Do you have any phobias?
I'm afraid of heights.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Absolutely. Live music is always a great experience.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I really enjoy swimming.
Are you a morning or evening shower person?
I prefer taking showers in the morning.
What's your favorite type of art?
I love abstract paintings.
Do you have any favorite board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing Scrabble.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
I like my sense of humor.